Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Kyriakos Paraschopoulos, and I'm the engineering manager of the software and AI department at Vimachem. Vimachem is a tech company that develops cutting-edge software solutions for pharmaceutical industry. Today, as the presentation title suggests, I'm going to talk about how we are helping pharmaceutical factories transform from manual, paper-based processes to fully digital, AI-driven operations. This transformation is not just replacing paper, it's about improving efficiency, ensuring higher quality, and driving the future of pharma solution. So let's begin by looking at the problem, understanding the challenges that pharmaceutical factories face today, and why this transformation is so critical. So, even in this digital age, almost more than 80% of pharmaceutical factories worldwide still heavily rely on paper-based processes. To give you a sense of the scale, producing a common medicine like paracetamol can require over 400 pages of documentation for just one batch. Now think about what this means. Firstly, there is a significant loss of efficiency. When processes managed manually on paper, the risk of delays and bottlenecks increases dramatically. Secondly, compliance becomes a major issue. In the pharmaceutical industry, regulations are strict and audits are frequent. Paper records make it difficult to ensure full compliance, increasing the risk of costly mistakes and penalties. And finally, the possibility of a human error is really high. A single mistake on paper could lead to the production of incorrect batch, and in pharmaceuticals, that kind of error can cost companies millions and, more importantly, put patient health at risk. So now, since we have seen the challenges, let's talk about our solution. At Vimachem, our vision is to help pharmaceutical companies produce safer and faster by eliminating the inefficiencies and risks of paper-based processes. So firstly, we are focusing on digitalizing the entire production process. This means fully removing the need of paper, automating data collection, and ensuring that every step is tracked digitally in real time. Secondly, we are leveraging integration with pharma production equipment to automate workflows. This integration allows machines to communicate directly with our software, eliminating manual inputs and significantly reducing errors. And finally, we are utilizing AI to unlock deeper insights by analyzing data in real time. So AI not only helps in optimizing the current process, but also provides continuous improvements. So the combination of digitalization, automation, and AI is how we are transforming pharmaceutical manufacturing, making it more efficient, reliable, and future-proof. So now I would like to introduce you to overall equipment effectiveness, or OE, which is one of our key tools we use to optimize pharmaceutical manufacturing. So our OE solution gathers real-time data directly from the machines on the production floor, categorizing it into specific metrics for analysis. This gives the factory managers the ability to make immediate adjustments, reducing downtime and improving overall performance. On the AI side, we are working on 2 key projects. The first one is a predictive analytics project, which focuses to forecast potential issues on the production line using historical data to anticipate any disruptions. And the second is a proactive maintenance suggestion mechanism that predicts when a machine is likely to fail, recommending maintenance in advance. This helps reduce unplanned downtime and extends equipment lifespan. So the combination of real-time data and predictive insights is what makes the OE solution so powerful in driving manufacturing efficiency. Good, okay. So our next important project that we are working on, it's called Electronic Batch Records, or EBR. And as we already said, in pharmaceutical manufacturing, ensuring product quality and compliance is really critical. So traditionally, this has been a paper-heavy process with operators manually documenting each step. This is where our EBR solution comes in. So our system builds the framework with a plug-and-play logic to fully digitalize a production line, so the factory workers will interact with by using a user-friendly interface. Also, we integrate real-time data from manufacturing machines, so the managers and the operators can follow each production step digitally in real time without the need of paper. This is not only increases efficiency, but also reduces the likelihood of an error. The system is built for flexibility, making it really easy to adapt to any client unique production process. So the EBR can capture data accurately and in real time, tracking every detail of the manufacturing process. This digital approach eliminates transactions errors and ensure compliance, which is also speeding up the batch release, something that it is really essential in the fast-paced world of farm production. Good, okay. So, in conclusion, at Vimaken and in my team, our mission is to push the boundaries of technology to revolutionize pharmaceutical manufacturing. We are integrating cutting-edge technologies to build smarter, more efficient production systems that ensure quality and compliance at every step. But for us, this is just the beginning. As we continue to grow and innovate, we are always looking for new talented individuals. So if you can share the same passion with us and the same mission with us, please, you can use the QR code and check our available positions. Also, we have a booth outside. We can discuss anything you want to answer all your questions. This is end for me. If we have any question or have more 5 minutes.
Do we have any questions for Kyriakos?
Yeah.
Do we have any questions for Kyriakos? He's looking for talented individuals. I mean, look at you. There's hundreds of you out there. All right. Can I have a job?
Yeah.
Yeah? See? It's that easy.
But first you can apply in open positions. We have a talent pool. You can apply if any open position doesn't match with your skills, but you can find a position just for you.
And this black thing here, that's something to do with Minecraft?
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks a little blocky to me. Right, okay, guys.
So thank you, everyone.
Thank you very much, Kyriakos.